So hey everyone, it's Sunday, June 17th, and like I said in the last episode, I'm going to try to put together multiple days from inside the Airstream. There goes my email because I didn't turn the Bing off. Sorry about that. So anyways, this week there's a lot going on, so let's just get right to it. Tomorrow I'm going to be running down into town to do some physician follow-ups, so my morning's a little shot. Before I do that, I'm usually up about 5:30 in the morning, so somewhere around 6 o'clock I start working. So tomorrow morning, what we're going to see is I'm going to be working on a website for one of the chains of RV parks that we work with. So I'll probably spend from like 6 till 8 o'clock, then I'll run into town, deal with the physician stuff. After that, I'm going to be popping over to Brett Blevin's place to review some of the green screen classwork that we've set up for him. So we've already started building his class.
The art of visual storytelling is what I should have said in the beginning. That's what we're talking about here.
And we're actually finishing off a Kickstarter right now. So we're going to be getting the Kickstarter up this week, most likely, if everything goes well. So Brett's an absolute perfectionist, and he's putting something together for an intro bumper that should really just grab people's attention. So I'll quickly tell you a little bit about that project. So Brett Blevins, who I've mentioned on the channel before, has been a cartoon illustrator and artist for an incredibly long time. Since 1981, he worked with Marvel, he's worked with DC, he's worked with Warner Brothers, he's worked with Kids WB, he's worked with Cartoon Network. If you think cool cartoons and animation, Brett can be someone that pops right to your mind. So he's also, over the years, taught small classes on the work he does and teaching people how to draw. So we're now going to be bringing that to the internet. We're actually going to be putting up an online class, and the online class has been working well. My online class at Udemy about X-Theme has been doing well. My business partner, Greg, who is a certified flight instructor, and he used to run a flight school, he has done a Part 107 exam tutorial. It's a huge one. It covers more than just Part 107, and that class has been going along great. So in talking with Brett, we decided, hey, let's bring this to the public and let people see what a professional artist like Brett Blevins can do, and also share with you so that you can learn how to do it too. So that's the big project that's been going on. In addition to that, what else is going to be happening this week? Well, I'm going to be finishing off the project for the RV resorts that I'm working with. I'll also be working with another one of my clients out of Wisconsin this week. So Wednesday afternoon is all booked up for her, as we're increasing her online sales. She's got an e-commerce website and a regular website for her business. So Wednesday afternoon, I'm going to be busy with that. And for most of the rest of the week, I'm most likely going to be editing a lot more video for Brett's Kickstarter, and also editing video of class sections that have already started. So even though we're launching the Kickstarter and we don't have it out there yet, and we have no payments coming in, we are building the class because we're that confident. This is going to be an incredibly cool class, especially from a guy who can't draw at all. For those of you who followed me for years on the Airstream Chronicles, or you're just catching up here, you know, I used to do a lot of professional photography work. I still do for my clients, but I've stopped doing kind of the portrait sessions and weddings. I would rather actually work with my commercial clients to represent their businesses better. So giving people better visualizations of the parks and bed and breakfasts and hostels that they're visiting. And so that's where my photography has moved to over the past couple of years. So there's the week. It's going to be a busy one, and I'm going to try to do some video here and there. Like I said, it's Sunday morning. I'm getting ready to run over to Chino Valley, so heading a little north to go visit a friend today. And when I get back, I've got a question to answer from Arizona Drone. That's our other channel on YouTube. So if you haven't checked out AZ Drone, I'll put a link below. I'll probably put a link up above as well. And you can check that out because Greg and I have been putting out some videos about drone work and some tutorials on drone flight and autonomous drone flight. And I actually owe that channel another video. So, like I said, it's going to be a busy week, and I'll bring you along when I can. And I'm not going to show you screen recordings of me working on somebody's website because that's pretty boring. But maybe some screen recordings of me working on it, and we'll just speed it up and make it look like I'm super fast. All right, I'm out of here. I got to get in the truck and get going. So I'll see you on the next post.